This is how to unhide balance on Revolut. First thing you want to do is head on to the App Store on your phone. Go to search and look up Revolut and make sure to update and install this Revolut app. Once you've updated and installed Revolut, we're going to go ahead and open up the app. All right, once you open up the app and logged in with all your information, including linking your bank account or any cash card that you'd like, and creating a username and password. From here, we're going to go to the top left to our profile pic. And here, we're going to press on Help. We're going to go to Search and Help and look up Hide. You're going to see a whole bunch of different options, but we're going to press here where it says Hidden Balances. And as you can see on here, it explains why my balance is hidden and how can I turn the feature on and off. We're going to read through these 4 steps and we're going to go through them right now. So go ahead and head back over to this screen right here for your profile. We're going to press on Account. Now once you see all these account options, we're going to press on Privacy. And as you can see here, this is where you toggle on and off the feature to hide your balance on Revolut. That is how to unhide balance on Revolut.